Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. This is unboxing of a 1996, I believe it is, Impala SS. This is a snap type one from Revell. Kit came out in 96. This might actually be a 95 Impala. Oh, I stand corrected. It's a 94 Impala. I knew it came out one of them years. I think it came out for 2 years. This says here that the SS version has always stood for top performance in Chevy. 94 Chevy SS is no exception. So let's check it out. Here we have the sides of the box. Kit number 6399. This was always one of my favorite cars when it came out. It was pretty neat. Alright, let's get right into this one. Alright, right off the top we have some, these look like Goodyear tires. Look like they're the same size tires all the way around. It says Goodyear on them. Eagle. And some other numbers I can't read yet. The backs are just standard black walls. Alright, ready? Well, because it's right here, we'll do this little chrome tree. Got them big old rims on there. Look sharp. Nice see-through. Or, you know, the holes go all the way through them. Couple of headlight bezels for here, right here. You see that okay on the box art? Headlights there? Yeah, that's what those are. One of those. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like alternator and air conditioning pump bracket all molded together. Here's the front grille. Need some black wash on there, make that look sharp. And a couple of possibly mirror inserts for your side mirrors. One big bag of molded parts. We'll go ahead and cut that open. And here's the body. Pretty slick. Slippery. Slick. Pretty slick looking, but it's a little bit slippery. You're going to have to wash that one up real good before we paint it. Got a little bit of discoloration in the molding, so it wasn't mixed very well, but that's okay. Good. A little bit of flashing. Feels decent. You know, thickness is good. There's a rear end view of it. Nice looking for a four-door especially. And here we have red lenses for your rear brake lights. And one of these, I'm not sure what that is. We'll have to get into it and see what that is. It's definitely, oh, you know what? I'll bet you that's, that probably mounts that way, or no, it probably mounts this way. This is the third brake light, I'm betting, and this mounts to the roof underneath. That's the only thing I can think of. We'll see when we get into the instructions. Here's the full tub with the front inner fenders and front radiator support all molded into one. Remember, this is a snap kit, so a lot less parts and a lot less detail apparently. We got nothing for the inner walls here of the doors. Maybe there's another piece that snaps in there. Molded in rear seat, speaker grills, and this is where that third brake light goes. That's what it is. So that's going to glue into there or snap into there. Bucket seats, very nice looking. Those look sharp in another vehicle, even if you wanted to buy this kit just for the parts. Here is the upper part of the dashboard and then the lower part. Really nice looking. Part of the suspension for underneath, cross member. Here we have the chassis with all kinds of goodies, all molded in. Very, very nice thickness on this. It's going to be a nice build for this one. Here's the air cleaner, which isn't really an air cleaner anymore. It's just a cover they put over top of the engine. There's radiator, full exhaust system, the mirrors. Yep, those other little pieces snap in there and become the mirrors. Alright. And this tree we have, excellent. We have inner door panels with all kinds of detail. That's great to see. Here's steering wheel with big old airbag in there. Wheel backings. Fans again that'll attach to the radiator. Pulley system with fan belt. Steering gear, steering column with the shifter on the column. Air box for the engine. Here's part of the firewall. Here's a spoiler for the rear. That's going to look nice. And another exhaust. So dual exhaust on this kit apparently. Very cool. Here we have the hood on this last tree. The hood with some scuff marks. That's got to be cleaned up real good. Seat backs. Engine and transmission halves. Which doesn't make sense to me because I thought... Well, I could be wrong. This must have been a rear-wheel drive vehicle. For some reason I thought it was going to have the transverse engine in it, but it doesn't. It's a standard old-school engine and transmission combo, front suspension, engine oil pan with transmission pan attached, intake manifold, rear axle with the drive shaft. Excellent. Okay. Some coil springs, some little suspension parts there. And the back of the hood has minimal detail on it. You'd have to definitely spray a very light coat of primer and paint on that if you wanted to retain any of that detail. Alrighty. Underneath we have the giant rear window glass and rear door glass. Has the built-in lines for your defroster. And here is the windshield with visors molded into it, and the headlight covers for the front headlights. We're going to put that back in the box. And for instructions, we have a nice little write-up on the vehicle itself. Love that. Before you begin, yada yada. Some paint tips. This kit is also a Revell monogram, just like the previous one I did on the Dan Fink Speedwagon. We're going to start out with putting the engine halves together. Pretty basic. Remember, this is a snap-tight kit, so it should all go together fairly easy. Those things were the rear shock absorbers. I was wondering what those were. Apparently it comes with some decals for detailing your engine compartment. Can't wait to see those. That's pretty neat. Puts your interior together. Silver and gloss black. We're giving you tips on painting for gloss brown. That's an interesting combination. For color on your interior door panels. Your safety light, clear red. That's the third brake light. And we have putting that together. Boom, boom. Very nice detail on this one. I bet it's going to be a bear to try and get those mirrors to snap into that kit. I can't wait to find that out. And the final assembly part is put the front grille on. Looks like it attaches to the hood. That's different. And that's it, folks. Get into the decals here. And I'll let you get on your way. Oh, wonderful decal set, guys. Look at that. Detailed gauge package for the speedometer. Even looks like a fuel gauge. All kinds of nice little goodies there. Looks like an Illinois plate. I can't make that out for sure. Yeah, but I think that's what it is. And the details for under the hood. Very nice. Yep, can't wait to do these. And actually, these feel like stickers more than they do decals. Interesting. Well, alrighty, folks. Hope you had yourselves a great day. Thank you for stopping by. And we'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.